Wait, do you believe that every YouTube thumbnail you're looking at right now was made using AI? No design skills, no overthinking, no hours in Photoshop. I literally just type the title and let AI handle the rest. And here's the crazy part. There's a new AI model called Seedream 5.0, and honestly, it's on another level. It's even better than a lot of other image generators out there. And yes, you can try it for free using Pippit AI. Let me show you exactly how I do it. Step 1. Prepare the prompt. I already created a master prompt that you can use for literally any niche. Science, health, tech, daily life, vlog content, whatever you're making, it works. I put the link on my website and you can find it in the description. Inside that master prompt, you only need to fill in 3 things. Number 1, the thumbnail title. This is super important, don't skip this. Number 2, typography text. If you have extra words you want on the thumbnail, put them here. If not, just leave it blank and let AI decide automatically. Number 3, watermark text. Just type your channel name here. That's it. After you fill everything in, select all, copy the master prompt, open ChatGPT, paste it, hit send. And boom, ChatGPT will generate a ready-to-use prompt specifically optimized for Seedream 5.0. Easy. Now, step 2, generate your YouTube thumbnail. Copy the ready-to-use prompt that ChatGPT gives you, then go to the Pippit AI website, link is in the description, and log in. Once you're inside, choose Image Generation, select the Seedream 5.0 Lite model, and yes, it's free for 1 year. Choose your resolution, 2K and even 3K are still free right now. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9 because we're making a YouTube thumbnail. Click Send. Wait a few seconds, and done. You'll get 4 different images. Just pick the one you like the most and download it. That's literally it. Whenever you need a new thumbnail, just repeat the same steps. No stress, no creative block, no design headaches. So tell me, if AI can do all this for you in minutes, why are you still struggling with thumbnails? Try Seedream 5.0 on Pippit AI right now. Links in the description, and let AI do the heavy lifting while you focus on making great content. And hey, next time someone asks who designed your thumbnail, just smile and say, "Oh, I have a secret weapon."